Hey there and welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to create a searchable directory for your website on Wix, you're in the right place. By the end of today's tutorial, you'll know exactly how to add a powerful search bar to your Wix site, customize it to fit your style, and help your visitors easily find what they're looking for. Whether you're building a business directory, a product listing, or simply want your pages to be more accessible, this guide will walk you through every step. Let's jump right in. First, you'll want to head over to the Wix app market. It's basically the treasure trove of add-ons and features for your site. Once you're there, take a moment to use the search function type in Wix Site Search. This is the specific app that's going to power your new directory features. It's designed to plug right into your site and enable rich, custom search options for your visitors. After you've found the Wix Site Search app in the market, simply click Add to Site. The installation usually only takes a few seconds, and you'll know it's done when a brand new search bar pops up right on your Wix editor. This is where the fun really begins, because that search bar isn't just a static feature. It's fully customizable and ready to help your users find content quickly. Now, if you click on the newly added search bar within your editor, you'll open up the Settings panel. Take your time here. This is where you can manage what appears in your search results. If you're running a store, for example, you might want to prioritize listing your products first. Or maybe you only want certain pages like blog posts or service listings to show up when people search. This is all adjustable in the Manage Search Results section, so think about what's most useful for your audience. Beyond that, you'll see an option to manage your search settings. You can reorder the results based on what's most relevant for your site, so if you want products to show before blog posts or vice versa, it's just a matter of dragging and dropping. You'll also see toggles to choose which types of content the search bar scans: products, pages, posts, or collections. This is great because you can really tailor the search experience to the way people interact with your site. Don't worry if this part seems a little overwhelming at first. The interface is designed to make these tweaks fairly intuitive. Once your settings are dialed in, you'll want to customize the search bar display. You can change the overall layout. For example, maybe you prefer a compact search bar at the top of your site, or a larger one in the center of a directory page. Wix gives you plenty of options to fit your brand's vibe. And when it comes to visual design, you're totally covered. You can swap out fonts, colors, border styles, background fills, and more. If you're a visual person, spend some time playing with these options until the search bar feels just right for your site's look and feel. Alright, you've got your settings and your design, so let's take it for a test drive. Head over to the preview mode in Wix. This lets you experience your site just like a visitor would. Go ahead and type in a search term, maybe the name of a product, a blog topic, or a team member if you're building a staff directory. Check the results and make sure everything's working smoothly. And with that, you've successfully added and customized a searchable directory to your Wix site. Now your visitors can zero in on exactly what they need in just a few clicks, which is huge for user experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions about Wix or website building in general. I always love hearing your feedback and helping out with new challenges. And if you want more easy-to-follow tutorials like this one, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.